Hey guys, Paleo Nick here. We've got Kat the Butcher Bellamy in the house.
What's up, Nick?
Thanks for coming out. I appreciate it.
No problem.
We've got some pork shoulder here, and you want to tell us a little bit about what you did?
Well, just hack that up with this one right here. It's my favorite.
Whoa.
Really nice handle.
Sweet. Well, thanks for doing that, and I appreciate you bringing the meat. This is going to be an episode of It's Not Gourmet, Sis, one of our slow cooker meals. And today we're going to be making
apple raisin country style ribs.
All right, guys, this one's going to be short and dirty. Kat's going to be mixing. I'm going to show you guys how to peel and cut up this apple. It's going to be a lot of fun, all right? So let's get into it. If you want to take and dump those into there. And then let's go with 2 tablespoons of our super radical rib rub. And I want you to kind of spread this out over it. Try to coat those ribs as best you can.
You know I'm a pro at this, come on.
And then if you want to add these onions, 8 cups of onions. And then over here, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do to peel this apple. Little ring around the top, ring around the bottom, then I'm just going to work it from there to here. I normally would use Granny Smiths for this preparation, but they were out of Granny Smiths. So. And then here I've peeled and cut these ones already, stored them in some water with a little bit of lemon. So if you want to take these guys, you can dump
the water out.
The water into there. Dump them in there and then mix that up.
All right.
Okay. While she's doing that, I will carry on. So from there, I cut my apple in half, cut it in half again, and then a little angle there will do the trick. That'll cut out the center little pith and any seeds that are involved. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Then from there, boom, done. Okay. In there, get the raisins in there. How's that looking?
Pretty delicious.
And then I've got a half cup of apple cider vinegar and 3 bay leaves. Right there. What are you thinking on seasoning? Does that look good? Should we add a little bit more?
Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Let's make it 3 tablespoons.
Apple
Good
cider
there?
vinegar, Tim?
Let's do this. Let's get it in our crock. And how I want to, just go ahead and dump it. We'll see what happens there. Boom! Just like that.
Full pot.
Huh? Little meat up top in case you want to take a nice little picture. ACV, apple cider vinegar, right over the top. Lift that, set it in there. Throw the lid on. We're going to plug that in. I'm going to say 7 hours on high. 7 hours on high, and we'll see what happens. Okay?
All right.
So check this out. Boom, just like that. Check it out, get a whiff of this. Mmm, cooked down. You think those apples are done?
Definitely.
Onions are translucent. Oh, what do you think of that? Tender? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, good. Pull out the bay leaves, but man, the meat's tender. Nice little sweetness. The raisins have plumped up. Apples in there. So what we're gonna do, this is just a make ahead meal. We're gonna divvy this up for the week, and we'll show you what that looks like in a minute. All right, guys, we knocked it out in a couple minutes. We got 7 portions, around 3 to 3.5 blocks. What is it called?
Apple raisin country style ribs.
Nice. Kat, the Butcher Bellamy here with Paleo Nick. We're just doing what we can to help you guys.
Keep it paleo.